Hi, this is Rob. In this video, we'll take our first look at the Bootstrap CSS framework. Bootstrap is an open source CSS framework used for building responsive front-end web applications. It was originally created by Twitter in 2010, and since that time, the framework has gone through several iterations. At the time of creating this video, the current version of the framework is 5.2. The framework itself contains HTML, CSS, and JavaScript-based design templates for HTML elements such as forms, buttons, navigation, and other page components. Before we look at the framework itself, I want to add these words of caution. When working with Bootstrap, and especially when searching the web for examples, it's important to make sure you're looking at code for the major version of Bootstrap that you're coding in. For example, if you're building a new website using the current version of Bootstrap, the major version would be version 5. Don't copy example code from prior versions of Bootstrap, such as Bootstrap 3 or Bootstrap 4, when you're working with Bootstrap 5. So really, my advice is, when using Bootstrap, stick to the Bootstrap documentation for the version you're working in. After all, there really is no better place for Bootstrap documentation and examples than the Bootstrap site itself. So here we are on the docs page at getbootstrap.com, and we'll create our first Bootstrap web page by scrolling down to the second example in the Getting Started section, copying the code, then pasting it into an index.html file in VS Code. And then right-click the file and open with Live Server, and there we have our first Bootstrap web page. Now, I know it's not very exciting, but we'll get started adding components to this page soon. First though, we'll discuss some key concepts regarding Bootstrap layouts in the next video.